Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about crypto airdrop. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button to join our crypto fam and stay updated on all crypto matters as you know. Guys, the crypto airdrop field is full of new potentials. In this particular video, we will be talking about the new Solana airdrop. Solana AirDrop has conducted a new airdrop to all its users. Now I will demonstrate everything using my example. Immediately, as usual, you will find all the resources to the airdrop event in both the links in the description and the comment section. I have $628 or 3 Solana coins in my Solflare crypto wallet. You can have absolutely any wallet. Let's go to the official Solana multiplier website. We indicate the amount of Solana coins, then click on the multiply button and connect our wallet. After connecting the wallet, we received a $1,255. In just a few steps, doubling our balance, we were able to earn 3 Solana coins or $628. Guys, don't miss this opportunity to get money. Goodbye.